Do you ever just wake up and you want to have something fancy, but you don't want to have to spend fancy money? That was what I was feeling the day I actually made this chicken sandwich toast. I don't even know what to call it, you guys, but this thing is bliss. That's all I can say. I made this perfect toast with wheat and rye bread, with some chicken, some cheese, some bacon that I don't even eat a lot. But I just made a combination of so many things that became this grand thing that I cannot now stop eating. I've made some for my friends recently and they absolutely love it. So let me show you how to make this. I don't know what to call it yet, but we are making it. That's all I can say. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you end up enjoying the video, click the like button, share the video. Let me show you how to make the ultimate toasts. You're going to love this one, I promise you. These are the ingredients that we are using for our toast. I'm using wheat and rye bread. I chose this bread just because it is firm and it is able to withstand manipulation. If you don't have this, you can use sourdough bread, or you can also use just any bread that can withstand movement and the amount of work that you're going to put on this thing. Then we are also going to use some fresh tomatoes and fresh spring onions, some mayonnaise and some hot chili sauce, sweet chili oil, and also some butter, the spices and seasonings. We're using some cheese and some bacon. We're using some lettuce, and of course we're using some chicken breast. Like I said, check the description box for the full ingredient list. I'm going to leave it there. I always do. Now all you want to do is mix the sweet chili sauce, the hot sauce, and then the mayonnaise together. And we're also going to add the spring onions. I know there's a lot of chili here, but it is not hot at all. You people know that the bottled things are usually not overly spicy, so you're good. When you set that aside, you're also now going to mix the spices and seasonings to the chicken and then mix that thoroughly. I'm not adding any oil to this because we are still going to fry this later on. And once you marinate that, you can marinate that anywhere between 10 minutes to 2 hours. Whatever you want to do is fine. We're going to put some chili oil in the pan and then we're going to cook our chicken. When you're cooking your chicken, you want to cook on medium to high heat, and then you want to continuously flip over. You want to be careful. I'm adding some butter to this because I needed that flavor from the butter to actually come into this. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm still moving this. This took anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, just depending on the amount of heat and how big your chicken is. After about 10 minutes, this is what we have, and then we are going to set it aside. But we're not just going to set it aside and let it dry out, because chicken breast has a tendency to dry out really fast. We're going to pour the oil and butter mixture over the chicken and allow it sit there until we want to use the chicken. This is a very important thing to do. If not, your chicken breast is going to be very dry, and you do not want that. We're going to fry the bacon and also set that aside. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos twice every week on my YouTube channel, and I also share short form content every day. So if you subscribe to my channel, which I think you should, you will never lack good quality content on how to make different recipes that are mouth-watering and are always easy to replicate in your home. So click on the subscribe button, click on the like button if you've enjoyed this video so far, and also share the video to everyone that you know. When they come here, they're going to love me. Now we are going to assemble our toast. Just as you can see here, I've gone ahead to rub some of that mixture over the bread, and then we're just layering this. You layer as much as you want, as anyhow you want to do it, it's fine. But I mean, I kind of like my layering, so it would be nice if you actually recreate yours using the same layering method that I have done here. We're going to cook this on heat for about 2 minutes, nothing more than 2 minutes. You don't want it to burn. You want a little bit of char, but not burnt. After toasting this on the pan for a maximum of 2 minutes on both sides, now your proper toast is ready. See how this thing was even hard to go out of the pan because your cheese is melted. Everything just looks beautiful. Let me know when you try this recipe. Please send me a picture or a video, anything of your recreations. I love seeing them. Send me a DM on Instagram, send me an email, anything. Find a way to let me know that you've recreated this recipe because it brings me so much joy. Let us cut into this thing so that you can see how pretty and beautiful this looks. Now imagine the taste, you guys. This thing was heavenly. I love it, and it has been a staple in my home at this point. Like, my friends legit come here and ask me for it. Now I am going to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy, guys.